Hi friends, now we have started with the replacement theory. In the previous video you would have seen that when the things are gradually deteriorating, how we find out the optimum replacement period. Now there can be another set of questions when two machines are there or two assets are there and one asset need to be replaced with other. Then in case of two assets, how to go ahead? Let us learn the case of two machines or two assets with the help of practical question. Now here we will see that whenever the two machines have been given which have to be replaced, how we go ahead with that. So in this question we can see that this is machine A and this is machine B. For machine A we have been given the data that the cost of machine is rupees 9,000 and the maintenance cost is rupees 200 in the first year, which increases by rupees 2,000 per year. It means if I will be writing my maintenance cost over here, it is rupees 200 in the first year and it is increasing by rupees 2,000 every year. It means in the next year it will be 2,200. If I go in the next year it will be 4,200. So you have to increase the maintenance cost by rupees 2,000, and in the next year it will be 6,200, then 8,200, then 10,200, then 12,200, like that. So for this, for how many years we have to make this table, it is generally arbitrary. You can make it for 5 years, 6 years, you can just try. If you are getting the results, it is okay. Otherwise, you can extend this table by increasing to 2,000 per year. So in the second machine, what you can see is the data has been given. The cost is rupees 8,000 and installation is 2,000. So we can say that the cost is rupees 10,000. As I told you, installation is the part of the cost. Maintenance cost is rupees 400, which increases by rupees 800 per year. So if I look at the maintenance cost of machine 2, it is 400 in the first year. You have to increase it by 800 per year. So in the second year, it will be 1,200, then 2,000, 2,800, 3,600, 4,400, 5,200. So this is how the maintenance cost has been calculated. Sometimes you can be given the maintenance cost directly and sometimes you have to calculate. Now here the cost is rupees 9,000. This we will use for calculating depreciation, and here the cost is 10,000. Now let us start with the tables. In this case we will be making the two tables now because there are two questions, so two tables. So let us start the tables. Now in the first case, this was the maintenance cost. So we have to calculate the cumulative maintenance cost. So it will be first year 200, 2,400, 6,600, 12,800, and the next will be 21,000 plus 10,200. It is 3,1,200 plus 12,200 is 4,3,400. And plus 14,200 is 5,7,600. So like this we have calculated the maintenance cost cumulative. Next is the depreciation. So for depreciation we have to apply formula C minus S. In this question there is no salvage value. So C cost. Cost was 9,000 which is fixed. So you will be putting 9,000 for every year. If the salvage value would have been different, then depreciation would have been calculated as different for different years. Now after calculating the depreciation, we calculated total cost. In the previous video also you have seen. So what you have to do is cumulative cost plus depreciation. So 200 minus 9,000, 9,200. Next will be 11,400. Next is 15,600. 21,800, 30,000, 40,200. Next is 52,400 and the last is 66,600. After calculating the total cost, the last step is the calculation of average cost. 9,200 divided by 1, 9,200. For second year, 11,400 divided by 2, 5,700. 15,600 divided by 3, 5,200. 21,800 divided by 4, 5,450. 30,000 divided by 5, 6,000. 40,200 divided by 6, 6,700. The next will be 7,485 and the last will be 8,325. So for the first machine, the question is complete. Let us see which is the minimum cost. See, cost is reducing. It is reducing. Here it is increasing. So it means this was the year in which the cost was minimum. After that, you can see cost is increasing. Now the same we will do in the second machine as well. Now for the second machine's maintenance cost, this we have calculated. So now we will calculate cumulative maintenance cost. 400, 1600, 3600 plus 2800 will be 6400 plus 3600 it will be 10,000, 4400 it will be 14400 and then last will be 19,600. Then depreciation C minus S. S is not there in the question. C was 10,000 for the second machine. So it will be same for all the years. If salvage value would have been different, depreciation would have been different for every year, but now it is the same. After calculating the depreciation, we calculate total cost by adding these two columns. So it comes out to be 10,400. Next comes out to be 11600, 13600, 16400, 20,000, 24400 and 29600. Now calculating the average cost, dividing it with the number of years. For the first year it will be same 10,400, second year 5,800, third year 4,533, then is 16,400 divided by 4, 4,100, then is 20,000 divided by 5, it will be 4,000, next will be 4,067 and next is 4,229. So now let us have a look at which one is the minimum. See, cost is reducing, again reducing. See here, it is the minimum 4,000 rupees. Now look very carefully. Here the machine 1 is having the minimum cost in the third year, while for machine 2 minimum cost is coming out in the fifth year. If it would have been same, like it would have been in the third, it would have been in the third, we would have written that machine B can be replaced with machine A, or machine A can be replaced with machine B in the third year. But now here the problem is, here the third year's cost is minimum and here fifth year's cost is minimum. And the question says that you have to replace machine A with machine B. Now machine B has to come. So when can it come? For such questions, what you have to use, you have to compare the minimum cost of the second machine, machine B. What is the minimum cost? 4,000. You have to compare it with the maintenance cost, this one. So this 4,000, that is the minimum average cost of machine 2. You have to compare it with the maintenance cost, second column, MT. Maintenance cost, that is 200, 2,200, 4,200. You have to compare this 4,000 with that. So if we are ready to have a cost of 4,000, of course we will not be bearing 4,200 cost. We will be okay with 2,200 cost, but not with 4,200 cost. So you have to write this line that average minimum cost of machine B is rupees 4,000, and comparing it with the maintenance cost of machine 1, which is 2,200, it means the machine, this machine will be kept for 2 years only, because if we are keeping it in the third year, its cost is more than rupees 4,000. So we will not keep it in the third year. We are going to replace the machine at the end of the second. So you will give the conclusion, the maintenance cost of third year is 4,200, which is more than the minimum average cost of the second machine. So we will not wait for the third year. We will replace the machine at the end of second year. So this is the replacement period you will find out in case the two machines or two assets have been given to you.